The TonSpy HD Spy Pen with its hidden camera is the perfect monitoring device for home or outdoor use. The operation is very simple and the pen is set up in a few minutes. Simply remove the cap on the bottom of the pen and insert a standard micro SD card. It can be up to 64 gigabytes. For charging, simply plug the supplied USB cable into the phone's connector or any other USB port. To do this, open the pin at the bottom, plug it in and let the device charge for 2 hours. To start the Spy Pen, simply press the upper button for 2 seconds. The right control lamp starts to light up in blue. To start the video recording, just press the upper button again. The indicator lamp lights up 3 times in blue for confirmation. You are now filming. To stop the video and turn off the pen, press and hold the upper button for 4 seconds. The blue control lamp lights up briefly. Your video is now saved on the micro SD card. To take a photo, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds. The right control lamp starts to light up in blue. To take a photo, press the lower L button. The left orange control lamp lights up briefly on each photo. All photos taken are automatically saved on the micro SD card. To switch off the pen, simply press the upper button again for 4 seconds. Now you can see an original video of the TonSpy HD Spy Pen. So we're going through the DM market here. Quality is wonderful, as you can see. Baby romper suit. Here you can see some original pictures of the TonSpy HD Spy Pen. Order the TonSpy HD Spy Pencil today at www.tonspy.com.